Introducing up next, Disha Chinnal, 25-year-old from Guwahati, a clinical psychology graduate dedicated to spreading mental health awareness and the power of empathy and understanding. Next, from the serene hills of Arunachal Pradesh, 20-year-old Pema Drema is a political science student, a firm believer of need for educational reform. She's also passionate about soulful poetry. Ladies and gentlemen, our next finalist, number 11. Now meet Yodenla Bhutia, 21-year-old history postgraduate from Sikkim who nurtures a love for nature through planting and once channeled the energy into Taekwondo. She is our finalist, number 12. From Assam, 22-year-old Martina Deka is a civil engineering student with a confident personality and passion for dance, modeling, and curiosity-led adventures. Welcome our finalist, number 13. From the land of the rising sun, Arunachal, 19-year-old Adam Wangsu is a botany graduate who champions mental health and education with a love for music, dance, and travel. And now, Pradisha Devi, 20-year-old from Guwahati, is a zoology student and trained Satriya dancer, a passionate learner who believes kindness and empathy can transform the world. Pradisha is our finalist, number 15. Next up, a 20-year-old law student from Manipur, Laima Pokam Ghanapyari blends her artistic passion with a bold voice for justice, women empowerment, and mental health. Next, hailing from Assam, 21-year-old Dikshita Hazarika is a political science student who blends a love for poetry with a bold voice for human rights and youth empowerment. Welcome our finalist, number 17. Next, meet our finalist, number 18, Christine Sella, a 20-year-old from Nagaland, a piano major at Tetso College, Dimapur. Christine finds the joy in music and baking and advocates for youth empowerment and dream chasing. Next up, hailing from Sikkim, 26-year-old engineer Anveshna Podal is a singer at heart who champions mental health, believing that dreams flourish when silence ends. She is our finalist, number 19. And last but not the least, our finalist, number 20, representing Mizoram, R. Lalusaki, 22-year-old, is a social media personality and English literature graduate advocating for women's education to build stronger communities. Well, once again, make some noise and put your hands together for our 20 finalists looking gorgeous in golden threads of Assam, which is the Muga silk. And who's created this magic on these garments? Let's welcome the one who's designed it, Shreyanshi Sonika, and styled this, styled by Ojan Barua. They're looking fabulous in Muga silk. Thanks to you guys, the Golden Threads of Assam. Thank you so much. Thank you. And with that, supremely gonna thank you so much, girls. And now, you know, any pageant when it comes to entertainment is always important. किसी ने सही कहा है ना, जिंदगी में तीन चीजें important क्या है वो? It is indeed entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. And to entertain us, get us foot tapping and grooving, we bring to you Assam's very own five women band. And when they, if I have to say it in non-Ahomia style, it would be Pancharupa. But ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Pancharupa.
Hunor dore
And I'm going to quickly check if we have Mr. Ravi Kiran Chaudhary, Principal Media Manager, Planning ITC. Very good evening. Can I have that mic? Thank you. Kaise hain aap? It's
I'm getting good.
good to see you. Thank you so much for joining us here. And you know, you've witnessed so many pageants, events, or celebrations year on year. What makes this one special?
See, you see state level competitions like this and maybe zone level. So this is almost like 8 states coming together doing it. It's a bigger platform compared to any other state level competition. That makes really big,
And
exciting.
this is just definitely gotten bigger and better because it's one of the largest convention halls of Assam. So it looks, you know, even grander. It's getting better. But what is that one message? Because there are all young girls who are aspiring to, you know, spread their wings and fly high. What is that one message from your end that you would like to?
See, this kind of platform, I think, see, one is we should appreciate Simde ma'am here. So, I mean, this kind of platform, this is not just a platform, it's a lot of support. So, you are bringing, giving a kind of identification for this entire region. And girls of this age, and they're really getting this kind of platform and support, and they really can go nationally and international, global level. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you. Your kind words will definitely help them push better. Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary, and I hope you enjoy the.
We're very happy to associate with this sponsor, this particular event. We're just not a sponsor, we're a partner for this event for long. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you for being the partner and holding hands together. That's how we move forward. So thank you for your partnership and your support. Thank you so much. VPN Zonal Head Federal Bank, a very good evening, sir. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
And sir, I have to ask you because today's day, nobody saves money, especially the young ones. This evening belongs to the 20 finalists because this is where a new life is going to begin for them. So my question to you is, what would you tell them? Because half of the world right nowadays, nobody believes in saving, right? I think after 2020, the pandemic that happened, after that everybody said, abhi jiyo, abhi karo. But according to your experience and the stature that you come from, what is that message that you would like to give, especially when it comes to savings?
We are the banking partner of this event. This Northeast Diva it's a platform to grow the young talents, to bring them to the international events like Indian International Universe, as well as Indian Beauty Pageant also. This will be a platform to grow the women from Northeast Indian. So we are very grateful to associate with this.
Thank you for your association and partnering with us. And one more question I have is, these days, there is no limit on UPI. People are just scanning and scanning and scanning. You want to tell them something? How to control that? How to save money? That's the most important thing we want to know.
So Federal Bank is having a very curated products especially for ladies. We are having Mahila Mitra products. And digital also we are in the forefront because nowadays the digital is controlling the world. In the similar way, though digital is controlling a lot of digital related frauds, incidents also are happening. And the way our products are very much curated to protect all these type of digital frauds. And we are giving too much investments on digitalization also.
Girls, you heard it from the man himself. So thank you for those tips and definitely would be helpful. Thank you so much. We also got our partner, Star Cement, Mr. Pradeep Purohit, Chief Operating Officer of Star Cement. Hello, sir. Very good evening. First of all, I love the color that you're wearing. Look at dapper.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for partnering. Thank you for your support. And, the brand is called Star Cement. If I have to tell you, this is going to be a contestant kind of a question, Mr. Purohit, which I'm going to say is, if you had to cement one thing in this world, currently, what would that be and why?
Har Ghar Mein Star.
That's...
We are looking for Har Ghar Mein Star, and this is one event which is actually bringing out the stars of Northeast and supporting them, appreciating them, motivating them to come forward. And it's our pride to be associated with Pride East and Northeast Diva. And actually, our brand campaign is Har Ghar Mein Star, and this goes very well with that.
So, हर घर में स्टार, हर घर से Northeast के stars यहाँ पर हैं. 20 young minds are here with us. And how do you think they can cement their career now on?
One thing, correct yourself every day, every morning, whatever you have to correct in yourself. And a continuous improvement is the key to success. And that is something which I can give them as an advice to cement their career forward.
Thank you. The stage is set. We move on to our next round, which is the cocktail round. And all our finalists are going to be wearing this amazing cocktail dresses. They're specially crafted by our very own designer par excellence, Payal Chadda. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our 20 finalists of Fiyama Northeast Diva 2025 back on stage.
Oh, life is bigger. It's bigger than you, and you are not me. The lengths that I will go to, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion. Trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. Come on and dance with me, yeah, slow. Skip a beat and move with my body, yeah, slow. You're here tonight, so I put my best dress on, boy. Tell me all the ways you need me, I'm not here for long. Catch me or I go Houdini, I come and I go. Prove you got the right to please me, everybody knows. Catch me or I go Houdini. Time is passing like a solar eclipse. Say you're watching and you blow me a kiss. It's your moment, baby, don't let it slip. Call me closer, are you reading my lips? I come and I go. I need something that'll make me believe. If you got it, baby, give it to me. You look a little like somebody I know, and I can tell you how this ends. I'll be in your head all weekend. Shivers and butterflies. I get the shivers when I look into your eyes. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. You got me spinning. You got me spinning. You got me spinning in your atmosphere. You feel so good, I wanna stay right here.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, what beautiful outfits, supremely crafted, well designed, is none other than by our very own Assam's designer par excellence, who's created the magic of this outfit, Payal Chadda. Thank you, Payal. Thank you so much for those gorgeous outfits and creating and crafting them so beautifully. Northeast Diva has sub-contest to recognize the beauty and talents of these versatile girls who are part of FIAMA Northeast Diva 2025. The sub-contests were held at Vani Greens, Kanchanjuri Tea Estate, a heritage luxury resort nestled amidst lush tea gardens near Kaziranga National Park, a blend of extraordinary design and all-inclusive hospitality. Vani Greens is a celebration of the richness of the Assamese tea culture. Let the audiovisual do the talking.
I'm 20 years old and currently pursuing my honors degree in journalism.
खुद की करूं मैं क्या तारीफें, रात ने चुराया मेरा काजल.
We have 9 sub-contest titles.
What is one word that describes you best?
We are really excited.
Well, Vani Greens, it is through the course of their stay at Vani Greens, they had several grooming, training and grueling sessions as well. Based on that, they were assessed, evaluated and zeroed in on our 9 sub-contest winners this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's begin the sub-contest crowning. For the first sub-contest, which is Miss Photogenic, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Tankeshwar Sharma, Executive Assistant, Tea Board India, and also Mr. Kaustav Saikia, well-known fashion photographer and the official photographer of Northeast Diva 2025, to please join us on stage. Welcome to both of you. All right, I've got the list of winners right here for sub-contest winners. Let's get to know who is Miss Photogenic, and the winner is finalist number 2, Nikita Das. Congratulations. And thank you, Mr. Sharma. Thank you, Mr. Sakia, for doing the honors. Thank you. Our next up contest, which is Miss Beautiful Smile. And to present the honor, I request Mr. Subhash Bhattacharjee, advisor Patanjali, and Amy Barua, a celebrity actress, to please join us on stage. Smile, and its Miss Beautiful Smile goes to finalist number 9, Christy Sarma. Now we move on to our next contest, which is Miss Beautiful Eyes. And for the same, I'm going to request Kasturi Bhattacharjee, Director, Clinical and Academies, Sri Sankaradeva Netralaya, and Mr. Tatus, PA, Deputy Vice President and Regional Head, Federal Bank, to please join us on stage and do the honors. Miss Beautiful Eyes goes to finalist number 17, Dikshita Hazarika. Thank you, Kasturi Bhattacharjee and Mr. Tatus, for doing the honors. Thank you so much. And congratulations, Dikshita. Miss Flawless Skin. And for the same, I would like to call on stage Mr. Ravi Kiran Chaudhary, Principal Media Manager Planning of ITC, and Anamika Tiwari, District Commissioner of Moregaon District, to please join us on stage. Thank you. Welcome to both of you. And we now disclose who is Miss Flawless Skin. It is finalist number 14, Adam Wangsu. Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary, and thank you, Anamika Tiwari, for doing the honors. Thank you so much. Miss Talented, and I'm going to request Joydeep Das Gupta, Country Manager, McEnroe Consumer Products Private Limited, Secret Temptation, and Ganesh Kumar Mishra, Deputy Vice President, Zonal Business Head, Federal Bank, to please join us on stage. Let's find out the talent, which is Miss Talented, and it goes to finalist number 8, Priyam Ranjana. Thank you both gentlemen for doing the honors. Miss Runway has got the most elegant and graceful walk. And for the same, I will request Mr. Pradeep Purohit, Chief Operating Officer, Star Cement, and Mr. Dulal Talukdar, Chairman, Sri Ram Academy. Please join us on stage. Miss Runway, the owner of this sub-contest, is finalist number 11, Pema Drema. Thank you, Mr. Purohit. Thank you, Mr. Talukdar, for doing the honors. Thank you. Next sub-contest is Miss Body Beautiful. And may I invite on stage Mr. Ravi Kiran Chaudhary, Principal Media Manager, Planning of ITC, and Mr. Ashutosh Kumar Singh, Manager, Personal Care of ITC, to please join us on stage to crown and sash the winner. And Miss Body Beautiful goes to finalist number 7, Rose Leena Tripura. Come a little closer for a photo op. Thank you so much.